Alright, we finally found a place to camp. And I think I'm going to be here for, who knows, a week? I don't know. I don't have any plans. I'm going to set up here, make this my home for a little while. The bees are atrocious, but they're not really bothering me. Bruce is having a good time. I'm going to set up good. Get some stuff ready. Do some organizing tomorrow. Edit this video. I'm finally happy. Feels good. Alright, we've got a camp. Oh, we got a camp. Making dinner. First time making dinner since I've been on the road. Pork chop and chips and salsa. I do have a salad in the car that I could eat, but maybe I will. I think I should. I think I should eat some vegetables. But it's a good night. I'm going to stay here for a little bit. Alright, so I've got some power issues with the Trailblazer. So I'm going to try to disconnect the terminals and see if I can clean them real quick and then reattach them. I'm hoping that's it. We'll see. So I got to take this box off. See what happens. Could be that. I'm going to try to clean that a little bit.
Get out. 7 years is almost happened.
Alright, it's a new day. I went and took to the hot springs today. I had plans yesterday to clean out my car and organize everything, but I'm still having issues with the battery. I replaced the battery yesterday, and it might actually be the alternator. Somebody told me yes, somebody told me no. We checked yesterday. The voltage was low, and then it actually reached where it was supposed to be, so I thought maybe it was like something where it had to warm up or something. I don't know. But what I'm going to do is I got to put this cover back on the battery, so I have to take the terminals off. Put the cover back on, and then I'm going to go into town here and go to AutoZone and have them check the voltage for the alternator. And if I have to replace that, then I have to. Thank you everybody for your PayPal donations so that I can replace the alternator and not be completely stranded. So I really appreciate everybody who donated. Alright, let's get going. Alright, the battery is attached again. The cover does not fit with this battery. So I don't want it to just be sliding around though, so I gotta figure something out. Maybe I'll create like a bracket for it or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna go into town, get the alternator checked. I needed one of those little multimeter? Is that it? I don't know. I need one of those. A lot of shit's going on. Oh, a lot of stuff's going on. Alright, not gonna film a lot of it. Maybe. I need to replace my alternator. I guess I do need to replace it. It's a 15 millimeter, I believe. So, gonna get to work. Alright, so I took the belt tensioner off. The belt off. I had to take this bracket off. I guess I could probably take the battery off. No, battery's not in the way. I'm gonna take this off so I can get to the alternator. today we've got to find a new place to park. Yesterday we got kicked out of our spot, and I didn't know that we weren't supposed to park there. So we had to move last night, but it was dark. So I'm just pulled over on the side of the road in the 14-day parking area. So today we've got to find a new spot that makes me want to stay here until Monday or Tuesday. Maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday. I don't know. But gonna wake up, go to the hot springs. I gotta get some gas, so I'll do that. And then we will come back, find a spot. Let's get started. What do you think, Brucey? You think we're gonna find a spot? A good spot? Alright. It's been over a week since I've been on the road. And I've learned a lot. I've learned that I don't have to stay in a place if I don't want to be there. And I've learned I don't need so much crap. So today I'm going to clean out the vehicle, figure out what I need and what I don't need. Okay. I put everything in the vehicle last night because I had to move, and I just threw everything in and then parked, threw everything out, and then threw everything back in. It's a mess. So, yeah.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait.
Alright. Making some progress. I've got everything over here. This is actually pretty hard dirt, so it's not like silty. It's okay to lay stuff down for a minute. I'm gonna let some stuff air out. I had some moisture in the back that I need to get rid of, so I'm gonna let the car air out, and I gotta go through my clothes and stuff. I might take a break and have some lunch. I have some steak that I made yesterday, and I think I'm gonna make a burrito with it. Sounds pretty good. Alright, it's lunchtime.